I was at a big defense firm, and I started getting the idea of going out on my own, and I just went for it. And I was like the smallest law firm you could imagine. My investment was $1,000 for a laptop. I think it was only $1,000 for malpractice insurance, and that's it. I didn't even have an office, so that was my first 6 months, and I had zero clients. So everything's been built on that, and it just started continuing to grow and grow. And I was taking non-maritime cases because just to take whatever comes to my door, but just somehow it's worked out where we've been getting good maritime cases, and the firm has grown now to my friend from the Maritime Academy, Ryan Beacon. He's a captain. He was a lawyer. He's a lawyer as well. He joined, and then just recently, a good friend of mine's wife, who is also a chief engineer and she graduated Mass Maritime. Michelle, she joined. So now, we're blowing and going, having fun, dealing with some very serious maritime casualties. Starting from scratch has been nice for me because you can do whatever you want, and you're not going into a firm that's already got all its mechanisms in place. So what our goal is always to like try to be better. And I think this software has been great for me. I'm in a deposition right now. We're taking an hour break to do this webinar, and I'm using the TrialPad the whole time. I walked in a deposition with an iPad, and it's great. I'm getting better at it, and things like this help us keep costs down, and to where we're not stressed out with if it ever gets slow. And keeping our costs down, and using technology like this helps us avoid getting a huge staff or things like that. So I just we're having fun, and I'm all about anytime there's tools out there that we can use to be better. We always try them out, and this is one of them.